Hey guys, welcome to a monkey tag video. Today, I'm going to be trolling some kittywinks. Shut up, you stupid bum! He's not here because he's an idiot. He's watching South Park. I mean, no, he's not watching South Park. He's playing South Park. Anyways, today, we're going to be trolling some kittywinks. Bye. So the troll is, I'm going to go in casuals and say, where the hell are the lava monkeys? So yeah, I'm going to troll some people thinking I'm an idiot, but I'm not. I know what I'm doing, even though I have autism. I'm not an idiot. Anyways, let's go and troll some kittywinks. Yeah, I was an idiot. I did troll an earlier, but I forgot to record, so I had to start that whole thing again. So anyways, before we start, thank you guys for 80 subscribers. You guys are the GOAT. Thank you for 80 subs. You guys are the best. I love you guys. Love you. Anyways, let's do some trolling as a monkey. And I will get back to plush videos, by the way. I'm just having a break because it's Christmas and all that. So yeah. Let's start. Alright, I forgot. Yeah, I put a code in for the video intro. Right, let's go.
Could be climbing the tree.
Wait, what the fuck?
It's not letting me try to climb the tree.
Where the hell are the lava monkeys at? Where the hell are the lava monkeys?
You don't grip in the game. You can't grip
We're playing
in the game.
casual, bud.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Like, there's no lava monkeys, we just talk.
Then how do I get lava monkeys?
You go up there, and then, you go to, make sure the computer, there's the room, you go to the controller, I'm calling it tonight, and then press leave room, and then you go outside, bitch your ass, and then you...
Okay.
It
Okay.
Let's make an infection though, because this is amazing.
God. Okay, that wasn't too good.
Yeah, I'm already there.
Oh god, I'm falling over.
I'm already there. Me and Green have been here.
I'm in, baby.
We're just waiting for you guys.
Wait, what the hell?
Yo, blue is
Last one to hang on the lights. Last one to
What the
hang on the
fuck?
lights. I'm already on.
Where the hell are the lava monkeys? Where the hell are the lava monkeys?
I can't see.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay. I'm doing pull-ups.
I'm tired of this game. I keep getting lobbies with no lava monkeys.
Is this me, or is it like some people are like freaking you out because they like jump out of nowhere and they're just like, whoa.
Yeah. Someone needs to explain to me, why does Lemon keep breaking this game every update? There's no lava monkeys.
What do you mean?
I'm tired of this.
Yeah, that's because you're in casual.
I'm done, girl.
You need to change to infection. Last one
Oh,
to the
okay.
the tree base again.
Wait, how do I do that? How do I do that?
Wait, the top of it? Wait.
How do I get infection?
I'm climbing up there. I'm gonna just walk on up there.
How do I get infection?
I don't know how to get there.
You go into the computer room.
Oh, okay.
I'm like,
Okay. Oh, there's a thing that says game modes. Oh. I'm blind. Anyways, thank you, I guess. Alright, you got trolled, all of you. Ha ha ha, they got trolled. They got bozoed on. Okay, infection, exactly. That's pretty poop.
What were you doing?
Yes, there we go.
Oh.
Wait, where the hell are the lava monkeys? Where the hell are the lava monkeys? Where the hell are the lava monkeys?
This is Cavs, not infection.
What do you mean? What do you mean? This is casual.
This is casual, just for infection and shit. This is just a chill
Because I'm not in
But how do I get lava monkeys then?
If I see lava monkey, I go out.
You go into the tree house and
I know, but I switched to infection.
infection.
Someone, it's
Wait,
Oh, okay.
where is
Okay.
the lava monkey?
Yeah, that's my question.
Casual.
All right. Hey, I found out how to do it now. Thank you. Get trolled. Wait, did I pick infectious? Fuck. Stupid. There we go. Who's dying? I will give you medical assistance.
Hey, Black, you wanna play hide and seek?
There's fellow monkeys. There's fellow monkeys.
Wait.
There's
two.
Wait.
Every monkey meet
Wait.
me at the
Wait.
bench. Every
Wait.
single monkey in here.
Wait.
Now,
Meet me at the bench.
Where's the lava monkeys? Where the hell's the lava monkeys at?
Dude, this is
Okay,
casual.
who wants to play tag?
What do you
Raise
mean?
your hand.
What are you on about? Is this game just turned into a casual game?
Raise your hand if you want to play
Point.
tag.
It's casual. It's not. There's no taggers.
Talking to them.
There's no taggers in the game anymore. That just ruins the point of the game. Okay.
Hide and seek, yeah?
It's on casual. You gotta change it.
Hide and seek.
Wait, how do I change it?
Hide and seek.
Look.
Hide and seek.
See, it's on casual right now. Put it
Yeah.
to infection, and then press the question, and then press question
Oh,
mark.
okay.
Or
Wait,
like-
before I go, Polo.
That's unfair. What did I do?
You just got bozo. I'll get bozo. And join him.
come to the crystal street. Lava
Wait,
monkey.
before I go, kiss you. All right, next lobby.
Hey monkeys, y'all wanna know how to get under the map?
Get on that often.
Follow me, I'll show you how to get under the map.
Wait, how? Wait, there's no lava monkeys. There's no lava
Over
monkeys.
here, come to
What
the
the
ramp
hell?
of the tree.
Ah, this game is trash.
Casual.
This game is trash, man. There's literally no lava monkey.
Alright, I'm over here. Come over here if you wanna know how to get under the map.
There's no lava monkeys. This
Alright,
is so dumb.
So,
I'm
everyone
not
knows how
gonna
to
do
push
it.
himself down like into the ground, right?
Lava
You know?
monkeys. Ah.
You're gonna put your hand like right here and then press it upwards against the ramp and you'll push yourself into the ground. And then you're gonna slowly scoot yourself to the main back corner of this.
Look at these bozos.
And then it's kind of like the old getting on the map trick. You're gonna push your hands like all the way up into the ramp. And a very important secret to doing this is that you just got coconut mauled.
Wait. Wait.
How dare you?
Where the fuck are the lava monkeys?
It just is casual. This isn't infection.
What do you mean? This is casual.
That means there's no lava monkeys. It's just normal monkeys.
We're not monkeys, by the way.
Infection is where lava monkeys are.
We're gorillas.
And hunt is where water monkeys are. And somewhat normal
Wait.
monkeys are.
So how do I get infectious? How do I get the tag?
It says infection.
I want lava monkey. Wait. Oh, there. Oh, there.
I'm gonna play hunt. Cause
Oh.
it's
Wait, green monkey.
I know.
Before I go, you just got coconut mold. Tee! Get coconut mold, bozo.
Yeah, I don't know how to do this either.
This will kill your arms, bro. I could show something that would kill your arms for me, but I couldn't show it again because my arms were
Wait, where the hell are lava monkeys? Where the hell are lava monkeys at? The lava monkeys, where are the lava monkeys?
all the way up.
This game is trash.
Like, go your controls and slow speed.
Lava monkeys, where are you?
Watch me.
Lava monkeys, where are you?
Go lower until
Where
you
the
don't
hell are
see
the lava
them
monkeys?
lower anymore.
Lava monkeys. Lava
When it's
monkeys.
dead, go a little bit up. That's the lowest point you can put your arms.
Where the hell are the lava monkeys? Damn,
Walk
this game is
across the floor
broken.
like this.
I hate this game. Trash game. 10 out of 10,
So
0
you
out of 10.
bounce up. Just move
There's no
like
taggers.
that,
What the fuck?
kinda like grab.
Those guys actually had brains. Which is uncommon for Gritech players. Wait, where the hell are the lava monkeys?
It's casual.
What do you mean? It's casual.
Casual is where you just like hang out and practice.
That's what the market's for. What's the point of that?
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
So you can get
Does
like
anybody
stuff like
here
cosmetics
like
like this.
Oh.
Carnage?
Okay.
And Venom?
But how do I get the tag then?
You like Carnage and Venom?
I wanna get
Taggers?
taggers.
Come here.
Yeah, I want
Be
taggers.
part of our group.
Yeah.
Venom!
Here,
Venom!
follow me.
Come here!
Okay.
We found somebody! He likes Carnage and Venom. You like it?
Okay, so what you want to do is right
Yeah.
here,
Who
go
you like the
into
most?
infection,
Who
Yeah.
do you like the most?
and then press the option
Me-
1
me?
button there,
Carnage
Okay.
or
and
Venom?
then
Yeah.
go back
Who do you
into
like
there,
the
and
most?
you'll be able to.
Yeah. Wait, before I go.
Because we're all
You just got coconut mold. What are you cheeky monkeys doing?
What?
What are you cheeky monkeys doing?
We're just
No.
Yeah, no. What the hell? There's no lava monkeys. Dream!
They're not an infection.
Fear me.
What do you mean?
I am
What do you mean?
Fear me. I am PBBB. Fear me.
You're not PBBV.
I know. Okay.
Wait, is that
What if
PBBB?
we all say PBBB?
PBBB! PBB! Oh my god! Oh my god!
PBBB.
Alright,
What if we all chant it?
PBBV.
What if you all tell me how the fuck do I get lava monkeys? Okay, okay.
Who wants to learn how to get up on the tree trunk? Who wants to learn how to get on the tree trunk?
Me.
How the flip do I get lava monkeys? This is stupid.
No.
There's no lava monkeys. What the hell?
Here's me.
The hell are the lava monkeys?
Come up to the ramp if you want to learn how to.
What are you
go up
doing?
the tree trunk.
Shut up.
I'm more
Breathe into the mic. That means you. No. Fell. Fell. You stink.
What the hell are the lava monkeys are? What the hell?
Okay, how do we do it? How do I do it? How do I climb up
Lava
that?
monkeys. I think they all are
Get
extinct.
right here. Jump to this
Lava
one.
monkeys are now
Jump
extinct.
to this one.
I don't see a single
You
lava
put your
monkey.
hand right here, and then you jump to this one.
What the hell are the lava monkeys?
Jump to this one. Haha, you fell over.
Oh my god. Right, next lobby.
Me.
You under the water? Wait, where the hell are the lava monkeys?
I tried to jump on top of the Christmas tree. Hold on.
Where the lava monkeys at?
But I jumped on top of the Christmas tree.
Where the lava monkeys at?
I am the water. What you say?
Where the lava monkeys are? Is this lobby bugs? This is lobby bugs. I hate joining bug lobbies. It's annoying. Like, I just want to play with lava monkeys, but I keep getting lobbies with no lava monkeys.
Are you on casual?
What do you mean I'm on casual?
You have to be on infection.
What the hell is that?
On the mold. When you go up there, you have to be. When you go in the tree, you have to be on infection on the game mode. Let me show you.
Wait.
Come here.
Okay.
Come up here.
Infection is the best fucking game mode in Gorilla Tag ever.
So why are you playing casual?
Because I'm bored.
That's smart words. Anyways, what do I do? Oh, there. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you press
Infection?
option 1 jet.
Yeah, I haven't played this game in like a.
Press
haven't
option
played-
1 and then get out the tree.
Yeah. Wait, before I go.
Yeah.
You just got coconut mold. Dun, 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 dun. Pigeon. I thought it said pigeon. Penguin.
Man, that's a nice pigeon there.
It's a nice little pigeon right there. Here. Wait, what the hell? This lobby's bugs. There's literally no lava monkeys. Great.
So once I
bug lobby. Hello.
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 There's no
Can-
lava monkeys because this is casual.
I know.
Yeah.
Wait, what do you mean?
I came in here to warm up.
Wait,
It's
wait,
casual.
what?
There's no lava monkeys.
What do you mean? What do you mean casual?
You just talk to people, I guess. There's always lava monkeys and casuals, though.
I accept your life choices.
There is not lava monkeys in casual. Are you sped?
What do you mean? There's always been lava monkeys when I played the game.
Everybody, I would like to have a monkey meeting under the gazebo. Everyone, go to the picnic table.
Okay.
I want to have a monkey meeting.
I still
I'm really
need to
good.
know how to get lava
Everybody,
monkeys.
Pink. I'm yellow and I'm
Your
really
sister
good.
is pregnant
And
and
I'm
you're
the
the dad?
cowboy yellow.
I'm pregnant. Okay.
Yes,
This is me right here.
we accept your
Okay.
choices.
Gay for life.
Alright, so are you a male? No, I'm a chicken. What do
He's
you
a
think?
chicken.
Oh, okay.
He identifies as a chicken.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Okay, so what was the monkey meeting for? Nothing really.
Everyone is smart. That is poopy for me. Before I go, my friend. Those monkeys were smart brains. Had smart brains.
No sniffing children allowed.
Okay, let me snip his booty hole then.
Wait,
Let me
what
snip
the
his booty
hell?
hole then.
What the hell?
I hate
What the hell?
It smells like bubble gum.
Where are the lava monkeys?
His booty hole smells like bubble gum.
There's no lava monkeys. This is a broken lobby.
Yeah, this is casual.
What do you mean?
Jesus. This is casual mode.
What do you mean? There's always just been lava and that's it. There's always just been tag.
Hi. No,
This is called
go
gorilla
back
tag.
to the tree. Go back to the big tree.
Okay.
It's on my phone,
I'm gonna
dude.
snap my neck in real life.
Helicopter.
No, goodbye, my love.
Hey, what do I do in here? Oh, there. Oh,
How
I'm a
does
doofus. Oh, there.
Brooklyn, your mom is my mom.
Alright, I figured out how to do it now.
What she is?
Alright, by the way, all you got troll. Chee! Get trolled. Imagine getting trolled. Wait, where the hell are lava monkeys? What the hell? Where the lava monkeys at? I hate this game.
Dude, are you
I hate this game. I hate this game. There's no lava monkeys.
Boy, I must go play Roblox.
I love monkeys. This is just a broken lobby. Great. Broken lobby. No lava monkeys. Yeah, I'm out. This lobby's broken. There's no lava monkeys. Those people had brains, unlike 99.9% of the players in this game. Wait, what the hell? Where the lava monkeys at? Where the lava monkeys?
Nigga, secret.
Where the lava monkeys?
Hey. Oh, nigga, secret. Nigga, fuck
Oh,
out of here.
where the lava monkeys?
Real blood, nigga, what the blood there?
Where the lava monkeys?
Hey, I'll leave her alone if you could catch me, okay?
Where are the lava monkeys? I don't know where they are.
If you-
No lava monkeys.
Oh, you're playing
No.
casual.
If you
You
could
need to
catch
go
me,
into
okay?
Infected.
I'm sorry, Dad.
What the hell's that?
Go
Go
back
back there and click here. Phone.
Art.
Oh.
Are you a mark? Yes, I am. I'm sorry, Dad. I didn't say it yet, nigga. Art. What y'all doing all around me? Oh, what's up, bro?
Oh, I'm coming up.
Place your phone.
Alright.
Just wait, I got
Right here.
Okay.
Right here.
Oh,
Click
okay.
infection.
Alright, wait, before I go.
Yeah, you gotta catch my dick, nigga.
You got coconut mold. Tee! Get coconut mold. Alright. What's my VR's percentage at? So not long. I'm gonna do 2 more games and then I'm done with this video. Right, here we go.
Guys, I'm recruiting some people for the
Wait, where are the lava monkeys? Where are the lava monkeys?
Okay,
Where the hell are the lava monkeys? What the hell are lava monkeys?
Yeah.
Lava monkeys. Yeah, the lava monkeys are extinct in this lobby.
Join
Lava
code.
monkeys are extinct.
No, join code. Make sure you're on infection. Join code blue. BLUE.
They are dumb. I mean, not dumb. They're smart. So I'll just won't count. Where the hell are the lava monkeys?
Yeah, come here. Thumb war. Purple, come here. Purple.
Where the hell are the lava monkeys?
I have something to show people. Thumb war. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Now, okay, you won.
Where are the lava monkeys? This game is so bad.
It's casual. There's no love monkeys.
What do you mean?
Hold on, fucking idiot. It's
Hey,
casual. That means
No,
it's like.
let's do rock.
Calling me an
paper,
idiot.
scissors.
I'll take that as a compliment. I'm autistic.
Okay, hold on.
I'll take that. I'll take that as a compliment.
Paper,
Okay?
scissors,
I'll take it.
What are you
I'll
doing?
take that as a
Let me
compliment.
ask-
So
Okay,
thank you for the
this was
compliment.
scissors,
Thank you.
so-
Thank you. Thank you for the compliment.
Alright.
Good answer.
Alright. Let's do it again.
I don't know. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Look at what I learned. Look at
What
what
did you
I
learn?
learned.
What did you learn?
Oh, no.
Oh fuck. I did it literally just earlier.
Wait, this is.
I learnt it.
Not
I learnt it. I do better on this wall.
It's hide and
Yeah.
seek infection tag.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm leaving this lobby. It's broken.
I'm gonna join boxes.
This lobby's broken. There's no lava monkeys. Oh, okay. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video.